Welcome to One Lancaster Park located right here in Imus, Cavite. Just 30 minutes away from Metro Manila via Cavitex. Malapit ka rin sa lahat ng kailangan mo like McDonald's, Shopwise, St. Edward School, The Square at marami pang iba. At syempre, ang transport hub para sa hassle-free commute. Dito, you will enjoy modern condo living with resort-style amenities, may pool, open spaces at relaxing community vibe. Available ang studio, 1-bedroom at 2-bedroom units, lahat may balcony, perfect for young professionals, small families, or investors. Ready ka na bang magka-condo dito sa Cavite's most connected township? Tara tingnan natin ang studio unit natin with loft. May total floor area itong 21 square meters. Compact pero well-designed para sulit ang bawat space. Look at the kitchen. Beautiful. Kasama na sa turnover natin ang range hood, cooktop at ceramic countertop. Complete yan with overhead and under-counter cabinets. Ang ganda ng finish, di ba? Very modern at elegant ang design. Ready for moving, gamit na lang ang kulang. Check out the toilet and bath. Spacious and well-designed. Kompleto yan with water closet, shower, and lavatory. Plus, may provision for shower enclosure para mas neat at organized tingnan. Let's go sa living area. Unlike sa typical na studio na pagpasok mo pa lang, makikita mo na agad ang higaan. Dito sa One Lancaster Park, pwede mong gawing living and dining itong space na to. At sa loft naman natin ilalagay ang higaan, which later titingnan natin. See? Very neat and maluwag tingnan. Ang ganda ng layout kasi maliwalas at smart ang pagkakadesign kaya sulit ang bawat square meter. And of course, the balcony. Dito pwede ka magpahinga after a long day. Enjoy a cup of coffee or just feel the fresh air. Ang sarap ng ganitong spot may natural light at ventilation kaya kahit compact unit, ramdam mo pa rin ang open and airy feel. Then dito tayo sa loft area. Pwede mo itong gawing storage area or tulugan tulad dito. Ang kanadahan dito, kahit compact unit may space ka pa rin for comfort and flexibility. Perfect for maximizing your living area, practical at stylish pa. So ayan, our 21 square meters studio unit with loft here at One Lancaster Park, Imus, Cavite. Compact, complete at well-designed para sa modern living. Just 30 minutes away lang from Metro Manila via Cavitex at malapit pa sa lahat. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng condo investment or your first home, this could be the perfect one for you. Reservation is only 25,000, available in bank at Pag-ibig financing yan. Message mo lang ako for more details or to schedule a viewing.